Hello everyone, Justin here, and today we are going to draw a rosebud, and we'll start by lightly drawing an oval shape, just like that, and we're going to extend this oval up here in a second, but right in front of the bud itself will be a leaf, so let's just draw a curved line, kind of curve it out again this way to a point, and the other side of the leaf right there, and this is going to be the bottom of the rosebud. We'll go ahead and draw another leaf here. Just follow this curve, but just a little bit outside of that line. So we'll go out this way, and again curve it outward, and make another line just inside. So you can see that these leaves are outside of the bud itself and encompassing it. So we'll put another one on the other side, same thing. Follow the curve, but just outside, and you can vary the curve here, but it's going to come out to a thin point and back down. Okay, now let's go ahead and get to the bud itself. So just follow this line and then curve out. That's what I meant by the extension. So we're going to curve out, and then anywhere around here start another line that goes this way to show that the petal is starting to curve outward. So we're going to go this way and then back to this line. Okay, almost parallel to it, we're going to go ahead and meet up with this line right there. So just follow this until it meets up with this line, and then curve it back to the oval. Alright, next thing, we're going to put another petal out here. This time this petal will be inside of this, the first petal that we had made. So we're going to just go out this way to the right. On the outside of the bud, we're going to follow this line initially and then curve to meet that last line. Now because these petals tend to curl out, we're going to add that by adding like this little triangle right here and then back meeting that line. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add another petal inside. This time we're going to go out here a little bit away from the oval, go out and back in. So now we have 3 petals, 1, 2, 3. Each succeeding petal will be inside of the previous one. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put another petal down here. So just inside here we've got another line that goes out up a little bit, and again this one will add another line just inside to show that it's starting to curl, and we'll put one last petal inside. So let's start right here and do another curved line right there. Now that we have this petal here, we can go ahead and continue this petal to finish behind it. See how it stops right there to show that it's behind this one right here. And now we can also continue this petal again to stop right there. It'll be behind. You can see where we initially drew that curved line. And finally we'll put one more petal back here. Again, it's behind all the others, just like that. Now at the bottom of the petal there will be a little bit of a bulb here where these petals had come out of. So we'll actually first let's look at the center line of this. So here's the center. Continue this line down at the bottom. So what we'll do is put this little bulb here by drawing a couple curved lines just inside, tapering slightly, and then curving in to meet up with the stem. Okay, now that we have all our lines, we can go ahead and start darkening them. So let's do that. And if you want, you can start erasing some of the initial lines, like right here of the oval and up here and right here. Same with the center line that we had drawn for the stem. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start darkening all the lines. So one thing to note with roses, as the petals grow older, they start to curl, but they also start to take on a more jagged shape. So these tips right here, what we're gonna do, instead of drawing them curved, perfectly curved just like this, we're gonna make them a little bit raggedy and just kind of draw squiggly lines there. Same with here, to show that it's starting to change a bit. And right here, so make that a little bit curvy, irregular I should say, and right here. And you'll notice with older roses, the petals actually start to tear, and there'll be these gaps and notches, and that is a rosebud. But what I'll go ahead and do, you could stop right there. What I'll go ahead and do is to start shading it a little bit to give it more shape. And I'll start with making the green a little bit darker. And I'll just do this. Right now I'm just making them all same shade. Okay, now these bottom parts are going to be a little bit darker, so I'll go ahead and make that a little bit darker simply by going over it again. Basically a second layer. Same here, I'm going to make this side of the leaf a little bit darker, so I'll draw a little bit of a middle line there and make this side darker, and progressively getting even darker as we go to the bottom, just like this. And this part, this leaf, will be the darkest. So I'll go ahead and make that darker. And because this is at the bottom, this is going to be the darkest, and I'll keep this side a little bit lighter. So just use a little bit harder pressure. Okay, and now I'll use my HB lead and start shading the rosebud itself. Okay, again, this part's going to be light because the light's coming from the upper left, so I'm going to leave this white. And you can notice the shadow here that I made is curved because this is a curved surface. Now this side here is going to be all dark because it's away from the light, but this part of the leaf right here, this triangular shape, will be light because that's getting all the light. So I'll go ahead and make this side darker. And again, I will just add a second layer just to make it slightly darker on this side in the shadow area. And again, this side of the leaf, this side of the petal will be darker, so I'll go ahead and shade that in a bit and keep this edge light. Same here, I'm gonna make this side right here, because if you look at this petal, it's gonna cast a bit of a shadow on this petal here. So I'll make that a little bit darker. And again here, I'm gonna keep this edge a little bit lighter and then shade the rest of this petal. And again, this part is going to be just a little bit darker, so I'll add a little bit more. And same with here. This part's actually going to be a little bit darker again because of the shadow cast by these petals, and I'm going to leave this part lighter. Okay, and then this one a little bit darker because again it's away from the light. And that's it. There's a rosebud. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you next time. Thank you.